Material console. Properties comparison. Property comparison allows you to compare up to 20 materials on a property level. There are two ways in adding materials to property comparison: adding materials directly from materials comparison or through material list builder. Once you find the materials you like to compare, simply add your choice of property or properties to simply compare. If you only want to compare one property, scatter chart gives you the best visibility to compare properties one by one. Meanwhile, with our radar chart option, you can select various properties and be able to display multivariate data in the form of a two-dimensional chart.